live, and biggity, biggity, bomb. We should be live. Oh yeah, I totally forgot. Need to put something on the whiteboard back here. Let me just do this real quick. Just get it all removed here. Don't worry, buddy. It's okay. It ain't nothing you need to worry about. Oh. Maybe you'll be able to see that. Maybe that'll be worth the effort that I just put in there. I just spent way too long writing that out. But yeah. Okay, so welcome to the stream. The title of this is going to be playing through my Steam library and some more scripting, possibly. But I know you, Linux noob. I know you want to see not gaming. Let me just go ahead and just show you though how much I installed. So out of my Steam library, I installed so many games, and this isn't even all of them. I removed like 5 or 6. Yeah, I installed a lot of my Steam library, like a lot. I mean, we got plenty of games. I mean, XCOM 2, Portal 2, Metro Last Light, Killing Floor, I mean, Stardew Valley, South Park, Soma, Spec Ops, both the Trine games. Now, I'm not a massive fan of the Trine games. They're not bad, but I'm not a massive fan of them either. Arch Center, welcome to the stream, dude. Hopefully that is readable, but I have a good feeling that it's not. I have a pretty decent feeling that it's not. So let me just open this bad boy right here. All right, so we got a nice drink, and yeah, I guess I can put chat over here. I've got this like decorative plant on my desk. I'll just put chat over there so I can see it. And I mean, so here's the main question. Do we play some games and have a little bit of game time in here, or do we just start working on customizing this DWM config or rice more? Because I mean I am absolutely in love with it. And the only thing that we might do is we might find a different font. I don't know that I really want to change up the color or anything. Like I really freaking like it. It's just hella clean. It just is. All right, but so I do have it turned on live chat, so I should be seeing chat as it comes in. I'm not seeing it too much. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I had to. I mean, Matt ended. I said I was going to do a stream right after Matt ended his. Just go ahead. We'll pop in here. I mean, I actually was gonna. I scheduled this stream for 1 o'clock for about 2 minutes, and then I scheduled it, and then saw on the YouTube homepage that it was Linux Game Night, and Matt was streaming at 1 o'clock, and I was like, oh well, I'm not going to stream while Matt's streaming, Like that's just rude. Like I'll just stream right after Matt's done. So I scheduled it for 3 because that's normally when he shoots to end by, but he ended early. So we're here. We're here early. Now, since we're early and since we don't really have anyone else, so again, if you're in the stream right now, if you don't want to see me play games, you want to see some more ricing, some scripting. I mean, we can keep working on my. So we created a little D menu script here so that I can load up my scripts folder and edit any script in there. So like if I just choose EX here, this is a little extraction script that I've got. So I mean, we can keep working on stuff like that. Again, if you guys want. Haskell, we are not diving into Haskell today. That is for damn sure. Sunday Haskell, no. That would be like the worst church Sunday experience. I'm good. Like I've gotten to the point now where I can choose to not go to church. Like I've hit that age, so we're not gonna be doing that on my Sunday. That's for damn sure. All right. Well, since it's just you and me in here, I just want to go ahead and see if some games are going to load. Some games that I haven't played before. Let's just see. What's a game I haven't played before? That sounds good. Sounds good. Well, I mean, I haven't played The Witness on Steam. I have played it for 3 hours, apparently. I didn't know I had played it on Steam, but I don't know if it'll work on here. I want to test to see if it'll work. It's an absolutely gorgeous game. Lua Sunday. Hold on, let's do low. Because it might be running off the built-in GPU. There's a good chance for that, or the iGPU. Ooh. Ooh. I mean, I don't know what's with the frame dips. So this game is like really trippy. Like, I don't even know where I am right now. Oh yeah, I'm underground. Like, this game looks really great. I don't know what's with the frame dips. I have no idea. I can't remember this. So I think the goal is to have these separated from the rest. Hold on. Oh, this one's so difficult. Like we would need to segregate these 4 white blacks dots from the rest. How do I do that? That ain't gonna work. Yeah. We're not gonna play this game. No. No. Programming language for each day of the week. Oh God. Oh God. That's one way to kill your progress in learning. Try learning like 6 different things each day. Or not each day, but every other day. Gentoo Monday, Haskell Tuesday, Fish Wednesday, Rising Thursday, BTW I use Arch Friday. Lua is great. It's what I start all my students out on. Yeah, dude, Lua is great. Lua is a great language. It's just not like I don't have a reason to really use Lua. Tick 80 is a great virtual machine that uses Lua for the younger crowd. I've never heard of Tick 80. Never heard of that. White segregation. This stream is not family friendly. Of course not. Of course not. Oh, okay. Phone going off. Let's throw on do not disturb so we don't get that happening again. That was loud. All right, so I take it that we should be doing some ricing, okay? I have a feeling that's what we should be doing, okay? So if we're gonna be doing some ricing, what should we do? What should we rice first? Now I know you guys have told me that you don't like the font. Hold on, let me just close. I got a whole bunch of windows here. So if I just load up my terminal here, so you'll see we're using ST here, and I'm still using ZSH. I like it. Y'all are not big fans of my font, and I totally understand that. My font is not I don't know. At first I really liked it. Now I'm not that big of a fan of it. The more that I use it, the more that I'm iffy on it. I'm not a massive fan of it. I don't think it's the worst font ever, but it could be better. And just in case you're unfamiliar with what this is the Daddy Time Mono font. Ryan, brother, what's up? Welcome to the stream. By the way, Alan, welcome to the stream. I need to start like welcoming people in here. Arch Center, I'm pretty sure I welcomed you into the stream a while ago. I don't know. Let's be formal about it, okay? Welcome, guys. Welcome into the stream. How's it going, guys? How you doing? How you doing? How's the day treating you, okay? Here it is a very rainy, very meh kind of day. Like, here's how bad of a day it is outside. Buddy is actually relaxing, just gnawing on his bone and taking naps. When he is not a pain in the ass and running around and hyper excited and wanting to do shit, you know it's a rainy, miserable day outside. What are these? Okay, so yeah, again, I understand we need to change. For one, the one thing about this font that I will say is the 0 with a slash in it looks really freaking nice here. It's hella readable. Really like that. But yeah, we're gonna change up this font, okay? Do you guys have recommendations for fonts that we should immediately go to? Like just immediately, that's where we need to go. Let's just do nerd fonts. Let's go to the actual nerd fonts website. Okay. Do you guys have recommendations? I'll take them now. I will take them now. I just don't know what this Cascadia Cove here. I keep looking at this, thinking about it. Might try that one. Don't know. Not sure. Use B612 mono. What the shit is that? What the B612 mono font. Let's see this bad boy here. B612 mono font. It's not bad. I mean, it actually doesn't look terrible. Like, you know, it doesn't look special one bit. But I mean, they're doing a little something with the N, but that's, oh no, and the 1 too. But yeah, other than that. The slash was 0. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I mean, it's not a bad font, okay? It's not a bad font. It's just, it doesn't, I don't look at it and go, ah, oh, that's the new font. I just go, oh, that's a very regular font. IBM Plex. All right. IBM Plex font. Dude, I'm down. I will take recommendations, okay? Okay. Well, that doesn't mean I'll just guarantee to use anything. Oh. I like how they just... Okay. Brother, can I see your concept? Whoa, this is like... Shit, bro. This is like more JavaScript than I've ever seen. IBM Plex Sans. Now we want to do mono. IBM Plex mono. Nah. Nah. Plex mono. I mean, doesn't look horrible. Do that much. All source code pro. Yeah, yeah. Definitely never tried that before. I mean, that is very clean font, though. Find a decent monospaced ligature font. And see, that's the hard part. That's the hard part. Pro font, nerd font. The post will get auto yeeted. You won't get auto yeeted, but the post will. But if you put the URL in with, you know, some spaces and not doing any dots or anything like that, yes, it'll work. So if you put the general outline of a link in there, you should be able to post that, and I should be able to see that. Otherwise, you could post in my Discord, and I should have my Discord open. Let me just go ahead and do that. I'll just open up my Discord in general chat. Oh, God dang, I keep forgetting I don't have my key binding set up. That's one thing. Yeah, so I'll just be in Linux general chat. So if you want to post a link there, I can see it. Well, you can tell me it's there in chat, and I'll go see it. This space mono font looks nice. Looks nice. Yo, you got any Half-Life games? I don't actually. I really want to buy Black Mesa and play through Black Mesa. Yeah. Inconsolata. Okay, should I try the space mono font or should I try Inconsolata? I mean, it does have some good ligatures. Let's see. Space mono. I mean, it's nothing, or not ligature. You know what I'm saying. I think I'm gonna try Space Mono first. I think I'm gonna download Space Mono. Okay. What's the Monaco? Monaco font? I mean, it's readable, but it doesn't immediately stand out to me. All right, we're gonna try the Space Mono. All right, we've downloaded Space Mono. Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay. We'll CD into my downloads folder. Downloads EX. Shit, what am I trying to do? EX Space Mono. There we go. Holy shit, that exported a lot. Okay. So let's clean up the screen. LS. We're gonna do as MV in quote space mono nerd font complete mono dot ttf, and we're going to move that to /user /local/share/fonts, and move that there. All right, and then we can just rm space, oh excuse me, space mono, and just do a star there. Oh shit, space mono. God dang it. No, I'm not doing it this way. Screw that. Screw that. Okay, so we got the font installed. Let's vim into our GTK RC file here and replace our font time with, or font with space mono nerd font mono 12. WQ, save that, and now if I open up my file browser, it is a different font. Okay, it's the space mono font. All right, let's cd into my config folder, my suckless folder, and we'll go into st and vim my config.def.h. Go down here and replace the font. Space mono nerd font. Save that. And then do as make clean install. rm config.h. Yes. All right, and so now when we load up here, I mean, it looks good. Looks good. Let's do H top. I mean, it's not bad. Oh, I'm sure. I'm sure. That's what I've heard. I've heard it's really good. Um, yeah, but I actually like using. You know what? Hold on. Hold on. We might do something different this time around. Let's CD into downloads. Downloads. LS, and let's move. Do as. Wait, hold on. Didn't I run that command earlier? Do as. Let's see. Yeah, move. Instead of mono, we'll just do complete. Right, space mono nerd font. Yeah, complete. Just do the regular. Do that. All right, and now vim into my .gtk rc. I'll go here and we'll just do regular font 12 WQ. So now we load up it here. I mean, I don't think it really changed anything, for being honest. But, hold on, let me load up GIMP, see. Yeah, I mean, it looks good in GIMP. It's very, very readable. Very readable, looks good, looks fine. It's blindingly white. So now let's cd into config / suckless DWM. And vim my config.def.h. Here, this needs to be space mono and space mono WQ, and let's do as make clean install. Go ahead and get that bad boy installed. All right, and rm the config.h. Like to do that. And then we also need a vim into my scripts, dmenu scripts, and config-select here. Luckily, I remember this. I need to go into this line here, right here in the middle, and change this to space mono nerd font. Save that. Cool. So now if I quit DWM, move that back over there, move this to the second workspace, third, and we'll move you over to the fourth. Okay, so now we've got the space mono in the D menu and top bar, and it looks good. I like it. It's much more readable. It looks good. I like it. What are you vaping? Well, I've got here, this is a Nord 2, or, yeah, just Nord? Novo. I said Nord. I was like, no, that doesn't sound right. Novo 2, and I've got Solus, Blues Mango in it. And holy shit, I just now noticed this is, almost 50 milligram, Nick juice. That's very high for me. I'm normally at 25. No, no wonder I haven't been smacking it as much. That would be why. Like I have a problem. I like chain vape. Yeah, I honestly don't use ligatures just about ever. I mean, I like it. Even zoomed in, the text looks much better. It looks very readable. Very readable. I don't know, I like it. I think Space Mono is where it's at. Let me do Atom status because I'm sure I need to add a lot of files. Atom and need to update all of these. Dot config and then star. CRLF will be replaced by LF in config Discord. Dot config Discord model. Wait. Hold up. What? Open GitLab. And here. Hold on. Let me turn this onto my face. Sorry about the look into infinity there. Let me sign in real quick. Username, no, that's not my username. What am I doing? Zany. Remember me, sign in. Thank you. Now, dot config, and in here, yeah, no, I'm not pushing up my Discord. Okay, so I need to undo that command. rm-f. Oh, let's do Atom status. Okay, I just added way too many. Okay, so let's do Atom rm rf dot config slash Discord. Okay, cool. We got rid of that. And dot config slash pulse. Okay. Let's see, status again. Still need to remove unity.3d. And user-dirs.dirs and dot locale. Let's see. Do we have more to remove here? Probably. Yeah. Okay, so now, let's see. Q browser, gonna push up all my Q browser stuff. Holy shit. I've got so much to remove. Okay. Gotta remove PAVU control.ini because we don't need that. PCMan FM, remove that. OBS-Studio. And let's see, nitrogen. Let's see, GIMP and Stardew Valley. God, Lord, got so much to remove. Okay, we're just about done. HTOP. Never doing that again. Top. Caden Live. RC. KDeb. KDeb Globals. Okay, what the shit? What is that? KDeb Global. KDeb. Oh, son of a bitch. KDeg. Deg. Globals. There we go. Caden Live. Layout source. We removed HTOP. Now we just need to remove the GTK stuff. GTK-2 and -3. All right, and so now when we do a status command, we get, damn it, we still got one more thing. Okay, so we got to get rid of kconf, update RC, libfm. I mean, I'll load up my neofetch or config, even though I'm not doing anything to it. It's just straight stock, but whatever. Cool. So, awesome. Yatum commit -m updated font and oh, let's push that on up there. Why not? Cool. Use BPY top. I have no idea what BPY top is. Well, here's why, Alan. Because I have no idea what a .gitignore file is. When it comes to managing my Git files, it has been a long time that I really have not done a good job of it at all. I'm honestly not a Git master one bit. I have not worked in an environment where I had to use Git a lot. I just haven't. I have used GitLab and Git and for the most basic of things for a long time, but until very recently have I started like actually managing my dot files and making a more complete dot files setup. Here's the real question. How does one .gitignore file? I know I misspelled it. I know. Oh, well, that's another thing. We do need to update the Qt browser here with the new font. Download, clear. I mean, Git works fine for me for managing my dot files. A gitignore file specifies intentionally untracked files that Git should ignore. Files already tracked by Git are not affected. Each line in a gitignore file specifies a pattern. When deciding whether to ignore a path. Git normally checks git ignore patterns from multiple sources. So okay. Okay. I get you. Pretty simple and straightforward. Okay. So I could just create, I could just whip up a .git ignore file and just have it ignore, you know, the Discord folder, GTK, and all of that shit. The main one was just ensuring that it doesn't upload my Discord config files, because I'm pretty sure inside of those config files, I'm like 99% sure is like my Discord token, and like that's no bueno if that gets around. Yeah. Yeah. So it's simple and straightforward. So hold on. If I do vim.git ignore .git ignore. So I could go in here and just put .conf slash .config, good lord, .config slash Discord. And so it should just ignore that, right? I think that's the way it works. Pretty sure. According to this, I will only need to do anything special, like add a slash before it or like that if it's a if it's like got spaces or has an exclamation mark in it. Which I don't know about you guys, but I don't name files and folders with exclamation marks as the starting. Oh, okay. True that. Well, I mean, I would assume Yatum would just read a .git ignore file, but I mean, we'll check. Yatum git ignore. Okay. Well, it's not just straight in there. Let's see. Man, Yatum. Yeah, I'm not really seeing it. So if I ls dash all in here, we should have, oh, yeah, git config .git ignore. Yeah. So hopefully it reads that. Yeah. Okay, so let's vim into my config. Cute, oh, not cute. I always do that. Cute browser. Shit. It's not a race, man. Just calm down. I don't know what's going on with me. Go down here. change these fonts to space, oh shit, capital space, mono. Well, inside of Q browser, actually, we won't rock the proper mono font. We won't. Just quickly whip up this nice little font or config file here, update that. Let's eatom add dot config. Hello, dot config. Oh, I must have pressed the wrong button. I have no idea. Config dot py. Ooh, that tab to complete, man. It's taking forever. I don't know why. Commit -m update Qt browser font. And let's go ahead and push that on up there. Got to take care of the font, the dot files for you guys, you know. So now, wait, hold on. Yeah, let me close out of there. We'll relaunch it, and yeah, got the new font. Looks good. Looks very clean. Looks very clean. I like it. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. I like it. Oh. I don't know. We might see if we can whip up another couple of scripts here. I don't know. I don't really know that I need another script. Switch to Brave Search. That's actually what I do have set up as the default search in here. So like if I just search something, you'll see it comes through. It is using the Brave search engine. Just DuckDuckGo is my default. That's like what it'll load up to. I mean, we can change that. Yeah. Brave search is good. Yep. I mean, again, I like Brave. I tried out the Brave search engine. I like it. I really do. It's like an in between of Google. It's like an in between DuckDuckGo and Google, like in how good it is. So, and it's not using Google, like, so that's great. Makes it much better. Have I tried the V web browser or VI web browser? Uh, no, and I probably won't. To be honest, we tried the whole trying out different web browsers thing, and I think I'm sticking with Qtile, man. Or Qtile. What am I saying? Qt browser. I think I'm sticking with Qt browser. I like it. It just works, and yeah, that's really all I have to say about it. It works. I like the key binding or the key driven nature of it. I like how it's themed. Uh, like it holds my system theme very well. I don't know. You know, I like it. I like Qt browser. Plus also, it's not like, at least with the Qt browser, it may be using the Chrome web engine, but it's not just another Chromium web browser with just a differing skin applied to it. Opera is much faster than Qt browser. I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is. But hold on. So let's go to Opera. Like, what does Opera even look like? Opera. A browser for the real you. All right. See, I mean, the problem with it is I take one look at it and I'm like, oh, it's just another like it's every other browser. Like at least with Qt browser here, I mean, if I want to open up a new tab, like it's just different. It holds my system theme. It doesn't just look like just another browser. And I mean, like, what's the free VPN? Can I just say that's the definition of a honeypot? Reduce online tracking and shield your browsing from everyone besides you. Yeah, get the fuck on out of here. Like, you're not keeping logs. Like, them logs aren't hella detailed. Get the fuck out of here. I'm sure the ad blocking in here is good. Dark and light mode to help you do you. Bro, like, this is like the most woke browser website I've seen. I don't know. Is there what's the point? Free VPN is a good VPN. I mean, sure. Like there's like 2 or 3 VPN companies out there that I trust. And just because I know how a VPN works, I don't trust a free VPN, like a VPN that keeps logs on you. It like, why are you even using the VPN? You might as well not even be using a VPN. And also, here's one thing. If you want to do deep dives, you can go through my live streams. I do have a live stream in which I share on accident my PIA password and login. So if you want a free VPN, there it is. Don't be a fucking asshole and change the username and password on anybody. But there you go. If you want a free VPN, I've got PIA, private internet access, the best paid VPN that you're going to get. Doesn't keep logs on you. It's been tested in court multiple times. They don't keep logs. That's a good VPN. And I think I've still got well over a year on that subscription. So, hey, use it to your heart's content. Because I accidentally showed my username and password, and PIA makes it like virtually impossible to easily change your username and password. So, hey, there you go. Yeah, I just don't get the point. I just don't get the point. I mean, here's the real thing. I just wish that Qt browser would come up with its own kick-ass fucking web engine. That would be epic. That would be absolutely epic. Hey, damn straight, yeah. There's nothing like a DIY VPN. That's where it's at. I mean, am I wrong in just saying this? Oh yeah, wait, Opera's the one who has the gaming browser. Bro, yes, Opera GX. This is the most, hold on, can we go off on this? This is the most dumbass shit I've ever seen in my entire fucking life. A fucking gaming browser. And the best part is, it's for the, like, for, what the fuck is a game? Can anyone tell me what the fuck is a gaming browser? What is it? What the fuck is a gaming browser? What is it? Like, custom themes. Okay, that doesn't make you a gaming browser, dog. What? Light and dark modes. That doesn't make you GX Corner. Okay. Let's see. Get free games, the best deals, plus a game release calendar and gaming news all in one place. What? So it's a fucking homepage just pre-set up for all gaming shit. Like, if you're a gamer, wouldn't you do that yourself in like 3 seconds and in after installing your browser? Like, what what? Oh, Twitch. Oh, thank fuck Twitch is integrated. The most dead fucking platform on earth. The most useless platform for discoverability. Most people don't even watch Twitch streamers. Like, I mean, when's the last time you boys were watching a Twitch stream? Come on. Be real. When's the last time y'all were watching a Twitch stream? Get fucking real. Gaming browsing. Yeah, dude, like, what is this? Well, fly up for GX. Dude, like, I don't, this is the dumbest thing to me. This is more asinine than anything. Like, what? A fucking gaming browser? Get real. Get real. And see, this is my point. This is my point with browsers. Like, okay, we need more competition because we have dipshits like this who have just are piggybacking off of good web engines and then just doing this. How about you spend your fucking money and development power making a better engine that can compete? You twat. What the hell is this? God, a gaming, like, this is an insult to my intelligence. Fuck you. Fuck you. Gaming browser. God damn. Ray Trace Candy Crush. Yeah. Because we all know that's what you need. That's what I wake up in the morning and I'm like, for one, the first thing I go is like Candy Crush. Like, I need it. I needs it. And then on top of that, I'm like, you know what? If only I could crush candy in some beautiful ray traced God ray volumetric clouds like environment. Get out of here. What is this? I can, like, they don't even talk about Flash games in here. Like, I would assume this would be oriented towards Flash gamers and stuff. What is this? What? Just straight what? Fuck this. Fuck you. Straight fuck you, Opera. Gaming. Hold on, let's go to the desktop. Opera GX. God, I'm about to fucking lose my mind. Opera GX is a special version of the Opera browser built specifically for gamers. Get the fuck out of here. Excuse me. The browser includes unique features like CPU, RAM, and networking limiters to help you get the most out of your gaming and browsing. See, this is the type of shit that just pisses me the fuck right on off. Okay? Let me just be real. This right here is marketing shit. Like, this right here is some, like, 6 people in a marketing room trying to just spew out words that sound good but mean literally fucking nothing. Because fucking think about it for just one goddamn second. If you are playing a game, if you are actually playing a game, you're not in the fucking web browser. You're just not. And let's say you're in a game. Let's say you're a hardcore gamer. You're fucking hardcore, bro. Like, you do it for a living. It is what you do. You eat, sleep, and when you sleep, you dream about games. When you wake up, you play games. That's it. Your life is gaming. As a competitive gamer, you're probably not going to want to even have YouTube, Twitch, all heavy ass fucking websites and 50 tabs in your web browser anyway, because you're a hardcore gamer. It's all about the performance. It's all about them frames, keeping that ping low, brother. Like, this is marketing bullshit that means literally fucking nothing in the real. It means nothing. This is a waste of development. It is a waste of time. It is a waste of internet resources to host this piece of shit dog. Fuck. This makes me so upset. Like, why? Just why? Come on. No, don't even try and give them it. They don't get, at least they're trying something different. Like, no, fuck right on off. Nah. I watched a little bit of Linux games twice a week or so. Supposedly WebGL optimized, but that's going out of date now too. But I mean, really? Like, what does it even mean? Like, WebGL optimized? Like, let's be honest. You're not going to. No one on Earth is loading up. If you have half decent hardware, if your hardware is for fucking 2014, brother, you can load up a goddamn website and play a game, no problem. You're not going to load up a web browser game and it just shit the bed because the graphics are too much. Like, that's no. Just, I haven't loaded up a tower defense game and it just cripple my computer. Nah. Chrome is WebGL optimized. But I mean, at least you're defending them. I mean, at least you're being nicer than I am. I would definitely give you that. I mean, they only make sense if there are any competitive games that run on the web that isn't turn-based. What? Name one. Like, what? Who? I swear to Christ, if this game is made for any group of people out there, it's like fucking 4 dudes. Like, there's like 4 dudes on Earth that are like, I really, really benefit from using Opera GX. Everyone else is just using it because, they play games and they want to be called a gamer. Like, just, what? Like, I don't get it. I will never get it. This is a waste of development resources. Just stop. Make your own, like, just shit. Innovate and inspire. Uncover the unexpected. Dude, fuck yes. All right, you know what? I agree with that statement, okay? Innovate and inspire. I don't know about that. I don't know about that statement there. Opera is definitely not inspirational to me, and by nowhere do I see Opera GX as an innovation anywhere at all. I mean, maybe it's innovating the skins and the theming world. Who knows? Maybe. We might just, we'll go ahead and give them the benefit of the doubt there, but uncover the unexpected. That one, damn straight. I agree with that. This is highly unexpected. Definitely. Now, so here's the main thing. Is Opera open source? Well, I mean, they do have a EULA, so I'm gonna say no. Let's see. Hold on. Opera open source? Is Opera open source? Is the Opera open source? Opera is free, and since it's based on Chromium, it's partially open sourced. Yeah, okay, so the web engine, it's not open source, but their developer tools are open source, and it's based on Chromium. So, I mean, in a weird sort of halfway, sort of semi, you know, they're dipping their toes in open source here. All right, they're not all the way in. Okay, you know, they've just, if we wanted to be vulgar about it, they've just put the tip in. You know, maybe good for things like RuneScape. I mean, maybe who knows, maybe. Web gaming is great for game jams, though. If someone has to do that, that is true. That is true. 100%, 100%. The argument that Opera GX is going to improve your web gaming experience, highly doubt it. Highly doubt it. Besides, I mean, if you think about it for a second, it doesn't matter what WebGL optimizations they've done, with how heavily this thing is themed and just how many plugins are built straight in. I mean, all that performance is just making it as performant as Chromium would be out of the gate. So, I mean, is there a benefit? I'd expect this browser is for the same crowd that buys RGB gaming power supplies. Yes, 100%. Dude, well, no, I mean, like, let's be real. That's exactly who this is marketed towards. Like, this is marketed towards the guy who's like, well, you know, I could have bought 32 gigabytes of regular RAM, but that 16 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance that has RGB on the top and is $100 overpriced, that's what I'm going with, because my system needs to look like I'm a true gamer. Besides, I mean, we all know RGB adds frames. Like, let's be real. Let's be real. You ain't crap. Dude, like, yeah, like, let's be real. Like, you're not worth shit as a human if your power supply doesn't glow. Like, I'm sorry, but I personally can't speak to you if your power supply doesn't glow. Just, I mean, I'm sorry. That's just the way the world works. I mean, if you can't afford a power supply that glows, I mean, we just can't be friends. You know, it's just the way. Wait, hold on. Wait, Game Maker Studio. Wait, what? Wait, Opera owns Game Maker Studio? The fuck? What? I did not know this. Dude, how degrading is it as a product to just know that this is at the bottom of your thing? Like, just no. Just no. Come on. You're watering down a fantastic product. Now, it's not open source or anything like that, but Game Maker Studio is a really great tool if you want to make a game and you don't want to use a free engine like Godot for some reason. Hey, Game Maker Studio is very cool. I know a lot of people who started their gaming careers there. I use gdevelop. I don't even know what gdevelop is. Let's see. Open gdevelop. What's gdevelop? gdevelop, create games without programming. I have never heard of this. Cool. This looks really neat and nifty. Dude, I like this. Okay. This is a very, very easy to use game engine. This reminds me of Construct. That's what they used in high school when they were teaching us how to game develop, and like, Oh, construct. I mean, it's very simple to understand and everything, but construct, I have just so many issues with construct. Like, here's my main issue with construct: the fact that it absolutely costs money is ridiculous to me. It shouldn't. Um, I always start a PC build with a PSU, selecting the cheapest one with minimum required wattage proved to be a good strategy. Uh, um, yeah, okay. I know that was sarcastic, but just in case anyone doesn't get internet sarcasm, look, when your house burns down going through that method, do not complain to anyone because no one will listen to you. Cat.js is pretty good if you want to get a bit more into on the programming side. Well, I'm used to using Godot, Unity. Like, I don't really have a preference. Just as long as I'm making a game, like that's the end product. That's the point. I have no idea. It sounded like something just fell. I don't know. No, it's probably just a cord moving around. If we're being honest, you know. But yeah, I definitely need to check this out. Give it a more thorough look. But dude, I freaking like this. Okay, I I like this a lot. Okay, I like it a lot. I like it a lot. All right. Yeah, burned or exploded so far, so far. Also, I would be very surprised if you told me that you've stress tested those properly, because that's something that most people don't do. Um, if you build a computer with a cheap ass power supply with barely enough, like, or just enough to cover your wattage requirements, if you take it into a more taxing scenario, stress test it for 5-6 hours. Like, I don't know, maybe you were compiling a Linux, like a Gen 2 kernel or something like that. Uh, well, just compiling the kernel, but you know what I'm saying. Compiling on Gen 2 for all night. There's a chance that power supply can give out. By the way, if y'all don't know how to do proper stress testing, if you're building a computer, learn. It's really simple. Just run a stress testing program, stress all of the processors and the memory for 24 hours. If after the 24 hours you turn off the stress test and it still is working fine and the temps didn't get up to somewhere that worries you, it's perfect. You did a great job. You'll never have a problem. I was stressed when I was building them. Yeah. uh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Again, just yeah, use whatever creates the end game. Like, that's really all that matters. Like, because there's a game there's a game making piece of software called Game Maker. Just do MV. So Game Maker is a this is a like I got Game Maker MV for super cheap on Steam, and Game Maker is a or excuse me, RPG Maker is a great game. There's a ton of really shitty games made with it. But there's one called The Witch's House. Uh, yeah, I think Witch's House uh, RPG Maker. Now this was made with VX, The Witch's House. The Witch's House is like this game here is super good, like super good. A very good game, and the story too is is fracking amazing. It's really good. So again, it doesn't matter what engine you make a game in, as long as it's a good game, you've got a good story to tell, bruh, you're rock solid. Okay. Well, then I will definitely be checking out GDevelop. Hold on, let me just replace the Opera GX page with that, because we're not switching over to Opera. That's for damn sure. So if I mean we've updated the fonts and everything. We could, you know, do some work on some scripts. We could whip up a new script, but I don't know where TFL has been. TFL has not been in my streams for quite a while. All right, I need him to pop in here and just, you know, really just put the whip down when it comes to the scripts. I was hesitant to get my $50 EVGA power supply, but didn't really see any reason to not get, other than, I mean, a $50 EVGA power supply. I mean, I don't think EVGA sells power supplies that are less than bronze rated. I'm pretty sure they don't, or if they do, it's still at least 80 plus rated. Might just have the base rating, but like, I mean, really, if we're being honest, if you're buying a power supply, it doesn't matter that it's cheap. It's just, you want it to at least, like, here's my requirement for buying a power supply. I will buy the cheapest 80 plus bronze power supply. That's my rule. As long as it's rated 80 plus bronze, that's where I go. Now that my 80 plus bronze platinum or power supply is dead, the next power supply I buy will be a platinum power supply. Only because a platinum power supply, you can take it up right at its rated wattage. So I could buy like an 850 watt power supply. If I was running that thing gaming at 850 watts right there, it would be fine, right at the top end of what it can handle. It will still be fine. And at that top end, it's still like essentially like, I think it's like 93, like to pass platinum rating, it has to be like 93% efficient at the top end of the curve, which is fucking insane. Because if you don't know about power supplies, like if you get a cheap power supply, like even a bronze, power supplies will perform better in the middle of what they're rated at. Like a bronze, to get the peak efficiency of it, which I think to pass bronze, it has to be like 86% efficient at its, you know, top curve. So like if you have, like, let's say you have like a 500 watt bronze power supply at 250 watts, you're hitting, you know, the most efficient it's going to be, whether that's 80, 90%, like around there. If you're drawing much less than that, the power supply is much less, is much more inefficient, same as top end. I highly doubt it. I highly doubt I've got the energy for a 24-hour stream. I don't, as far as I know, I don't think we have enough coffee in this house to power that type of stream. Also, I don't know that my heart can handle that type of stream. Like even at the 12-hour stream, I was like, dude, you know, like I'm starting to feel a little funny. I probably need to pass out. Like, yeah. I mean, dude, I mean, skimp on anything about the power supply. Like, take it from somebody who spent good money on a power supply and still had it die. Like, at the very least, what I can say about that power supply is, at the very least, because I spent a decent amount of money on it, when it died, it didn't kill the rest of the system with it. When you have those cheap power supplies, when those things die, dude, they don't have any safety protections on them. When that thing dies, it will kill the rest of the system 9 times out of 10. Like, if you have anything that continues to function after a cheap ass power supply breaks, you're a lucky man. Just saying. But hey, I mean, to each their own. Like, I mean, if you want to cheap out on your power supply, do it, man. Like, I mean, again, you do you, but just don't complain when your house burns down. Like that's a little ridiculous. So it's not like people don't warn you. Like, you don't want to skimp on the power supply. That's probably not a good thing. All right. So I guess my next question would be, what do we work on? We need to have an idea for a script or for something for us to work on. Like, I mean, so far, the only scripts that I've got on here that like I use it all is my DWM status script. I have currency on here in YT view, not really using those that much. So I'm really only using my DWM status script and my EX script all the time. And my EX script is just an archive extractor script. It just has a simple function for figuring out what file extension is, and then based off of it, it'll use the proper program to extract the file. Very simple script. I don't know if there's anything else that I necessarily want to add to my DWM script, or I don't know that there's another DWM script, or I keep saying DWM menu script that I want to make. I mean, I like it. Oh, you know what? I do know one thing that we can do. Hold on. I just now noticed this. This is a little error in my DWM script. So if you see when we load up, so when I load up the scripts folder, it still says run. And instead of saying run there, we should change that to edit, because we're going to edit, DWM status. So that's very, very minor and simple change, but we'll still do it. Scripts, dmenu scripts, config select, and go in here. We got to go all the way to our dmenu command, and here, instead of run, edit. WQ. Cool. And then we'll yatum add dot scripts, dmenu scripts, config dash select. And for some reason in yatum, whenever I want to do the autocomplete, it takes super long time here in ZSH. Don't know why. Yatum commit dash m update to say edit instead of run. Oh, and then yatum push that on up there. Perfect. All right, so now when we do it, yep, we get edit, and we can edit our extraction script here. No problem. Again, if you want any of my scripts, configs, they're on my GitLab, link in the description. Also, so is my Patreon if you want to go over there and support me. A little bit of self-promotion there. All right. Done with the e-begging for today. All right. Our sync external drive backup script for home folder. And well, so for one, I have never used rsync before. I just haven't. And the problem with that is I don't know. I mean, we could definitely do it, but the problem would be trying to debug it and test that it's working, because all right, if I load up into my file manager here, yo, what? No, never again. Nope. Don't know what happened to you, but you are never doing that again. I like my icons big, bro. I like my icons big and tasty. All right. Not small, not limp, nothing like that. I want my big, tasty icons. All right. Ever loading up like that again. All right. You can see that here on my drive, I've got a 1 terabyte NVMe. Don't ask me why. apparently 100 fucking gigs is unusable. Don't ask me. I have no idea. Drives these days, brother. But anyway, so I've got a 900 gig drive, and it's over 900 gigs. That's with Arch installed. But anyway, just under it. I've only got 200 and like almost 40 gigs available because I installed all them Steam games. I installed half of my Steam library. If I installed, like, my entire Steam library is probably 2 terabytes of data. I don't know that I could possibly install it here. And on my external drive, I've only got a 512 gigabyte SSD here with, it's got 355 gigs available. Those icons are thick, yes. And the one thing that we don't talk about when it comes to my icons is the name of the icon set, okay? I'll talk about it here, just for anybody new. It's Windows 10 Sur is the icon set. But again, we don't talk about the name of it or anything like that around here. We don't talk about the fact that it's just a blending of Windows and Mac icons and it looks absolutely sexy as shit. We don't talk about that one bit, okay? We'll never discuss it again. Well, it depends on the game. For most of my games, I just run the latest version of Proton, the Proton 6, like 6 dash whatever that we're on. But for things like Resident Evil games, stuff like that, I run Glorious Egg Rolls Proton. You can just search Glorious Egg Rolls Proton. You can go there and get the release version, and then also make sure on there you read the README, because you need to go through and get yourself out of wine dependency hell first. There's an instruction set on what you need to do before you install it. Follow that if you haven't ever used Glorious Egg Rolls before. But no, snitches get stitches. All right, okay. Can't be sharing that shit. Okay, so got it updated. Man, I just don't know what I want to do when it comes to anything else. I mean, to be honest, one thing that I will say is I don't know how long I'm going to stay at ZSH. So let me see. Dot config. Yeah, see, I mean, the tab complete is super fast, but as soon as I start going, maybe it's a YATM issue. Maybe it is. I have no idea. I have no idea. It could be absolutely nothing to do with CSH. It probably has nothing to do with CSH, if we're being honest. Yes. And the reason I like using Glorious Egg Rolls Proton, if I'm going to use, like, if I have a problem with the regular version of Proton, I use Glorious Egg Rolls because he is a fantastic guy. Like, you can go watch him. He's got YouTube videos. He is a very personal, he's a very nice guy. And I absolutely think what he's doing for Proton is a godsend. I think he's an absolute amazing human being. Now that I'm done stroking his ego, let's move on. Again, yeah, I really like Glorious Egg Roll. I think he's a fantastic guy. He's a very beneficial human for gaming on Linux. What he does by himself is incredible. So, where's a good place for us to go and look at scripts? Just random scripts online. I know we checked out some of y'all's dot files, stuff like that. For some reason, eyes in here are phones. Don't know why. Yeah, I mean, if you go back and watch my videos and live streams, I mean, it's been quite a while where I'm like, I just don't have a reason to try ZSH or anything. Got talked into trying ZSH, Fish, and stuff, and yeah, I actually really like ZSH. ZSH was nice to install. Yeah, it was just nice. I like it. Like it. Wasn't difficult at all. I mean, I also have up on my dot files, but you can get my dot Z profile and all that stuff. So if you want it, I mean, again, just change if you've got a scripts folder, you'll want to change that in here, so it'll actually make that part of your path, so that you can execute those scripts and such. Rosetta code. I've heard of that. I haven't checked it out though. Rosetta code. Oh my god, if I could type. Check it out. I mean, that might just be what this whole stream is about. Just me trying out different. Oh, hell no. Fuck no. Take one look at that. One look. Nope. Absolutely nope. 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 Mm-mm. Nope. Nope. Oh, wait. That was Rosetta font, not Rosetta code. Hold on. Rosetta code font. Rosetta Stone font. Rosetta code. Come on. And then this is a programming language. Come on, dog. Where am I supposed to find it? Where am I supposed to find it at? Yeah, I mean that's really what it is. ZSH is just prettier, and like I mean I really don't know that ZSH adds anything. Like, yeah, there's nothing about ZSH, at least in my usage so far, that's like, ah, it's definitely an improvement over Bash. Like I couldn't do this in Bash. Like no. Your font has overwritten the Unicode symbols your terminal is using. It's a page for programmers who want an inspiration. Oh. Gotcha. Okay, yeah, I have no idea what's going on here. Nah, we're out of here. Let's see. I'm trying to think. Let's go and load up Derek Taylor's dot files. Let's see. Hold on. He's got shell color scripts, DM scripts. So he's got his dmenu scripts. He's got just regular old scripts. You got riggedy old scripts. Let's see these shell color scripts. Let's see what's going on in here. Color scripts. Darth Vader. Yeah, so we got a whole bunch of just random scripts. I guess he executes these scripts like randomly whenever he opens up a terminal. Ooh, Crunchbang, dude. All right. Can we talk about this for a minute? What happened to Crunchbang, man? What happened to Crunchbang Linux? I remember this back in the day. I really liked it. Crunchbang Linux. Yep, it was a Debian-based distro. What happened to it? I remember it was using OpenBox. Yeah, dude, it just Crunchbang, man. What happened to you? I love this distribution. I loved it. Crunchbang plus plus? Never heard of this. What? Crunchbang plus plus? What? Crunchbang plus plus. Dude, it's still around. It's still a thing. Yeet. Dude. Oh. If you want a good system, Crunchbang Linux. Crunchbang Linux. That's where it's fucking at. Again, it's a Debian based, but I'm not gonna I don't have a problem with it being Debian based one bit. it just will not work on this hardware. That's for damn sure. Let's run random scripts from the internet. Damn straight, dude. Yeah. I mean, that's why you see me read through scripts, like even if it's a basic like DT scripts. Like I mean, DT is not going to have shouldn't have anything malicious going on inside of his script. I still read it because I need to know what's going on. I'm not going to download just some random script, even if it's just for outputting some ASCII art in the terminal. Like that shit ain't getting run on my computer if I don't read it and like at least somewhat know what's going on. If it's completely foreign to me, I ain't touching it. It's not going on my main system. It's not happening. That's super cool. That's super cool. Let's see. Is the community going strong? Ooh, what about the system requirements? What are you asking? I mean, it's Debian based, brother. AMD K8 or higher. I don't even know what a K8 is. It's probably like some old embedded chip. I don't know. Might be a dipshit and it's a really popular chip. Yeah. Well, so here's the real question. How do we get my font to not do that? Like, hold on. Like, we'll see. I have a feeling it has something to do with me not using the mono version. Because it's not like, I mean, my I's and L's and whatever are fine in the terminal. They are. It's just when we go into Qt browser and I'm not using the mono font here is when we get that. And I mean, we're also not getting it at the top of DWM, and that's using the mono font. So I have a feeling it just has something to do with the actual regular font is overriding it. Patch it yourself and maybe another key layout besides US. Well, let me tell you something. Patching a font myself, that is definitely not happening. Yeah, I'm too lazy for that shit. For sure. Spaguri. That's for sure. All right. So I don't know what we're doing here. I don't know where to look for some good scripts. I don't really know. I don't have inspiration of something that I'm like, definitely want to get that done on the system. Like really, in all honesty, I've got this thing set up exactly how I want it. It looks fucking good. It looks good. I got that lo-fi chill cafe to just relax me. That's my wallpaper. Theming looks good. I mean, really, if we want to be honest, if I really wanted to nitpick something, it'd probably be ST. I mean, I'm just not a big fan of ST. I'm not. Yeah, this is just a plain old Arch install. I use systemd. I don't have a problem with systemd one bit. I like systemd. I'm not one of those people that has an irrational hatred for systemd. Like, even though I just use systemd as an init system, I understand that systemd is like operating under the same mentality as the GNU core utils. It's a group of programs, not just one. So yeah, I don't have any irrational hatred for systemd. I like it. It does what I need it to. It's super easy to interact with. Just like, I mean, OpenRC is easy to interact with too. I mean, but yeah, I don't prefer. They both work good. I mean, like really, in all honesty, I don't care about my init system because does it init shit? If it init shit, I don't have a problem with. I could give two shits less. Like it. It's the init system. Like, why would you get upsetty spaghetti over that? Like, I feel like there's much more stuff worth your time complaining about than an init system. Oh, that's good. Okay, so personal scripts are meant to automate common tasks. So what are some common tasks I need to automate? Damn, bro. I don't really know that there's a whole bunch of tasks that I need automated, man. Like, yeah, I genuinely don't know. Because I mean, really, when it comes to my computer, I don't I, I don't even want to make a script that would automatically load up my, you know, some programs on different windows and stuff, because the way I use my tithing window manager is probably different than most people. Like, what I do is I load up to my computer and I just start using the first workspace and then move on from there. Like, I don't really have, like, my windows don't have a designated workspace they go on. I just, because I'm using my system, I will just know where stuff is. Like, I don't need to be told what's on workspace 2. That's Discord. Oh, oh, I love it. I love it. I don't need to know. And I clicked over here and I literally was wrong. Literally was wrong. I forgot I had moved Discord back to 3. I forgot I had restarted the whole workspace and shifted windows around. So never mind. That point was just fucking moot. But yeah, I still don't need to know. Like, I mean, it, yeah, it's fine. Like, well, they all work. I just now realized you guys couldn't see the screen there. My B, my B. Um, or I can just sauce you mine. I mean, ye, ye. Here's one thing that I see you do a lot. Create a file, make it executable with chmod, then vim into it. I have a script that does all of that at once. MK script. Do that. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Dude, that's actually a good idea. I do that a lot. We could definitely do that. Nice little script for just making scripts. I like that. It's pretty easy to just do it yourself. Yeah, it's more fun. Oh yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. 100%. 100%. So let's first cd into my .scripts folder, and let's do vim mk script. All right, let's do the bang. Oh, /sh for whatever shell we're using, because I only use CSH or bash, so it'll be fine. But give me one sec. All right. I think my sister just got home. He had a bark. Um, no, I'm not. I'm not gonna make a script that's gonna make this script for me. No, no. So first things. Hey, Buddy. Dude. Stop. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. No, I know I muted so I could so for one, you didn't have to hear Buddy absolutely bark your ears off, and two, I could be like, "Hey, doofus, shut up." Which he's fine. I think he also just got a little scared too because he was pretty passed out, and it's been thundering here, so he's been a little on edge. Um, oh God, no. Okay, so if I think about this for a second, I want MK script to just like I want to be able to run MK script and then just give it the name for the script, and then it just create it and everything. So well, first thing, let's do we're gonna want to touch the X file. Buddy, dude, please be quiet. Please. Buddy, please be quiet. Thank you, buddy. Again, I have to talk to him like a dude. I can't just order him around. I have to talk to him like a dude. Touch X for the file name. So like whatever we pass it in, we need to make the file. So there, and then make it, and then vim into X. So very simple. I actually see. Here's the thing. I don't know how to take the variable in. I mean, I know like we could do like read. What? Why was that taking so long? Take and set variable bash. Hey, buddy, buddy. Hey, hey. Please stop. Thank you. Hey, hey, buddy, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, dude. Just be quiet. I don't know who's here. I'm hearing voices. Somebody's here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Also makes it executable. Good point. Good point. Do as chmod. Or no. What am I doing? Chmod plus x. So argv. What you're saying? So I don't Don't know how to use argv though. Okay. So Linux handbook.com/bash-arguments. Okay, yeah, okay. So it's just incrementing. Gotcha. Okay, okay. So we go in here. So touch $1, $1, and then vim into $1. Right? So we just run mk script, we pass in the argument, and then we run this here. Well, we will need an if statement. So if it, so if we pass in something, oh shit. We'll want an if statement. So like if, bro, I don't even remember how to do if statements in bash. Oh, I don't know the proper syntax. Oh shit, I'm pressing a whole bunch of stuff. If statements, bash handbook, or bash hand, okay. Okay, so if $1, learn, bing it, it's easy. Damn straight. I mean, so this is not only going to be a scripting live stream, but it's also going to be a learning live stream, okay? Then well, so how do we check to make sure that checking to make sure it's not, oh well, that's null, you dumb bitch. So if it's not equal to null, right? Or hold on, no, not equal to, greater than null. Inside of bash, I'm pretty sure you don't have to do like the all caps shit. Let me see. Yeah, I gotta do the then. Knew I was gonna forget something. Then, and here, then we'll touch chmod and vim into 1. And we end this off with fi, right? Yeah. All right. you listen to Uncle Bob, you were supposed to write tests before even writing the code. Yeah, no. We gonna write the code. We gonna write the code. Okay, so let's go ahead and save that, and then we'll chmod plus x mkscript. All right, ls, we got our beautiful make script in here. And so if I run mkscript, well, I'd have to source the .new profile. Anyway, let's do ./mkscript. Why do you say it's a very interesting way of doing it? Because, I mean, wouldn't that just check to make sure you at least entered in something? So if I do mkscript and don't pass in anything, we get nothing. So ls. Nope. Okay, that doesn't, because then we get a null file. So that doesn't work. So rm null. And let's vim into mkscript. Check bash variable null. Okay, so -c. So -c, you pass the -c option to the command or conditional expression. Okay, so all right, so all we got to do is just check -c. -c. Do we need to do the quotes around it? And here, they're actually doing that. So maybe we need to do that. Don't know. We'll test it. We'll run it. mkscript. Okay, well, it still ran. So ls. Missing file operand. Missing, yep. So there was nothing to do, but it still ran vim. So that means it checked to see if it was null and then did this. Okay, so if it's null, it will do this. Got you. Okay, so if we do hello? I think if isn't it just the shebang, like you add the exclamation point? And then, so if it's not empty, then it'll do that. So now run it. We get nothing. Nothing happened. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, boy. All right. So now if we pass it in just the name null, we go into null, quit out of here, and then if we ls, we have null that is an executable. That's what I'm talking about. So remove null. There we go. All right. Vim in here. I mean, I don't think I need to run anything else. That's perfect. Oh wait, no, hold on. We do need another check. We do need another check because we also want to make sure that there's not multiple operands, like or multiple arguments. So if check if multiple arguments bash. Gotta be a simple way. Bash if statement with multiple conditions throws an error. That will check 2 error flags. No, I don't think that's relevant. Add a -o argument to overwrite the original file. I assume you're saying in touch. Just that way. That, yeah. That way, so we will automatically overwrite if you have another script there. I'll go ahead and add this in here as a little comment. If you have a file with the same name, this will overwrite it. You have been warned. All right. There we go. Give it 3 exclamation marks. Why not? And a dash question mark argument for help. I don't know about that. Bash only take 1 argument. Here we go. Let me just copy this little bit right here. So we essentially just check. So apparently, hold on, and we'll do and Control Shift V. Yeah, that does nothing. Okay. It didn't even cross my mind, but we'd have to do a freaking another patch to be able to just paste this in here in ST, as far as I know, reasonably. Yeah, so that's one thing that we'll work on here in a minute. We're going to find a new terminal emulator other than ST. That's for damn sure. We're going to find somewhere other than ST for me to live. Less than 1. Or and yeah. No, less than 2. We'll try this out. Q. So hold on. Let's move this back to 1 so we got our whole screen. All right, so if we run mk script with 2 commands, let's do dd and rr, I don't know, just the names of them. All right, it ran ls, nothing happened. Perfect. Okay, but we run it with just dd, and we get a file that is now executable called dd. Or we don't. Oh, invalid option -o. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Just use a free TTY directly. I mean, that's one way of going about doing it. Nothing but screen and terminal. The way God intended it. Get rid of that. Actually, hold on. Let's vim back in here. And we're not going to overwrite the file. You know, if it has a problem, hold on. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to do ./dd. So we've created it. Now let's do q ls. We've got our file dd. If we run this exact same script again, wait, hold on. Let's, I mean, yeah, like, well, hold on. Let's run this, and if we go in here and we add a little bit in here, save it and quit, and then run the command again, we still have it here. Yeah, that's fine. That's how I would actually like it to work. Now let's see, if we go up here and go back in here, so if, or actually, hold on, let's go up here and let's yank this line, we'll paste it down here. And so if IC is 1, then we're gonna our printf enter the name of the file you let's put a nice little like insult in here. Let me what should put in here? You mongoloid. Yeah, there we go. Put a nice little disparaging note in there. You know, you mess up, you get a nice little hateful message. WQ. So now if I run it with no command whatsoever, enter the name of file, you mongoloid. Love it. That's what it's all about. Don't know why it's giving me a little % sign at the end. Again, I'm 99% sure it probably has something to do with ST. Yeah. I guess I should add another comment here explaining this. Right. So now I run it. I still get it. You need to add a new line at the end. You are getting prompt /n. Good point. Here we go. Slash. Yeah, it's got to be /, right? Yeah. /n. WQ. There we go. Okay. New line. New line. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. So now we need to add dot scripts star. Add that in there. Now when I run it, oh, we forgot to remove the DD. Let's do yatum rm dot scripts dd. Oh my god, dash f. Thank you. Okay, now yatum commit -m add make script. And yatum push that on up here. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. So, oh wait, hold on. What am I doing? Let's go back in here and let's rm.script/dd. So it is removed. CD to dot scripts. Yeah, cool. Epic. Hold on. Okay. Did not realize that was a bashism. All right. You know, I mean, I might just switch back to using bash, if we're being honest. I might. It's more than fine. Hold on, let's vim into my .zsh. Oh, well, I'm in scripts. CD. Vim into my .scripts. Because I mean, really the only neat feature of ZSH that I like is that I don't have to type out CD. Like I can just go to a directory by typing it out. But that's really not that nifty of a feature for me to keep using it. Oh shit, what am I doing? Vim my CSHRC. Then let's open up a new one over here. Oh, damn it. Yeah, and since we're using ST, I don't know an easy way to, if I copy that, yeah, as far as I know, as soon as I leave Vim and go into my bash RC, it's not, I'm not going to be able to paste it there. Yep, no. I don't even know how to, I don't even know how, like, this wants me to, I don't know how ST wants me to paste shit. I have no idea. Anyway. So we're going to write gruff documentation for your script after this. Dude. I'm not doing any of that, no. I'm not gonna add a license for it. Hell no. Add a license to to the like most basic script on earth. Nah. Okay, so we got that nifty little make script made. Now if I go, I'm trying to think. I mean, y'all might be able to talk me into making a man page for it. Y'all might be able to talk me into making a man page for it, like just making some way too detailed documentation for it. That could be just a nice little meme. Now, I don't know how to make a man page for it, to be, if we're being completely honest. I have no idea how to go about making a documentation for a script. No. Man pages +1. All right, yeah. All right, so yeah, I mean, if you vote on it, how about this? How about this? 3 votes equals 3 votes equals we add a man page. Add a man page. If 3 people are like, definitely it needs a man page, absolutely. Actually, I might drop that down. I might say 2 people. If even just 2 people want a man page, I might spend the time doing that. Why not? Why not? I mean, you can't double vote, Alan. Oh, excuse him. All right, so what are we? Damn it! What am I doing? I have no idea. I have no idea. +2. All right, there we go. We got 2 votes. We got 2 votes for man pages. Looks like it's about to be man pages time. All right, look, if we're about to dive in and do a man page for this script, I'm sorry. I know YouTube is not about this. Again, I do not promote drug use, but I'm gonna need to be a little, you know, creative and in a fun and lighthearted mood for this. Shit. You may like hide vacant tags patch for DWM. I know that patch. I mean, it's not that I would not like it. It's just that I don't necessarily need it. You know, it's not that I wouldn't like it. By the way, I will butcher your username if I try and say it. You know, screw it. I'll try and say the last word. Caffey. I again probably butchered it, but welcome to the stream, man. Hopefully today you're having a good day. Apparently, what we're about to be doing is diving into creating some man pages for a tiny script. Yay. Yeah. Oh, I know it would definitely save space. That's for dang sure. That's for dang sure. But I mean, honestly, when it comes to my stuff here, like I don't really need to see the run-on sentence here for like what page I'm on, you know. But yeah, I mean, I know a lot of people where that's a mandatory patch for them in DWM. You know, yeah, it would be one of those aesthetic things, but I don't know, I like being able to see them all up there. I don't know. It's just again one of those weird personal preference things. So are we actually about to do this? Are we actually about to make a man page for this script? If we're gonna do it, hold on, let me hold on. All right. Hold on. I wish I had my like notebook around here, but I have no idea where it is. I also don't even know where my effing pen went. But anyway, You know what? Let's just hold on. Let me just open up another terminal. We'll just open up Vim. Shit, get out of here. Just Vim, create a notes file. Why not? And inside of here, we're gonna go create man page for MK script. So I want to do that. I also want to find a new terminal because ST is, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. Alacrity, just because it's GPU accelerated, it's a little weird when it comes to just opening up D menu stuff, and just it's a little weird. I just want to find a new terminal. I have no idea on what terminal I'll end up on, but create a man page for make script, find a new terminal. Yes. Oh yeah, dude. Like I'm telling you, this man page is like creating the man page in of itself is ridiculous, like not needed whatsoever. But we're going to create a man page for it that's way too detailed. Like I'm talking like let's make this man page hyper detailed, like way too detailed, like going into touch and like explaining like what touch is, what it's going to do, like everything. Like let's try and make this man page as long as we can. But I still want to find a new terminal. What's your problem with ST? I just don't like it. If we're being honest, that's it. Because I have to do so much patching. Like, I don't know. I really don't have a problem with ST, if we're being honest. I don't have a problem with it. I would just, I need to apply another patch. All right, hold on. Before we make the man page, let's go ahead and patch ST, all right? We're going to try and patch ST. If ST doesn't work, we're going to find us a new terminal, then we're going to come back to creating this man page, okay? All right, all right. That's what's going to happen. Okay. So let me open up Suckless, and let's go to, shit, balls. That's not what I wanted to do. Open up suckless.org and go over to ST. Let's go to patches, and inside of patches here, I want to get a copy of, right click, copy and paste. There we go. Pressing right click pastes from the primary selection. If combined with the clipboard patch, right click paste from the clipboard. Okay, so we want to get right click paste. Oh, shit, I always forget that. Save. Okay, save link. And let's go up here in my home directory, and we need to go to .config. Good Lord, if I could freaking type config, and of course I is showing up as a I've got so much shit to fix here right now, but there's time for everything, okay? We'll get around to it. Config slash suckless, and then yes, we want st. Save it here. ST right click is going there, and then we want the clipboard patch, because I don't think I put that in here. Clipboard, here we go. This is a trivial patch that sets clipboard on selection, the same as your browser. I may have already, hold on. Let's cd into my config, suckless, st, ls. So, oh, okay, I did do the clipboard patch. Perfect. Okay, perfect. All right, so we don't need this. Just delete that on out of here. And over here, all we got to do is just rm. Oh no, wait, we don't need to rm anything. Patch dash p1, and let's put in the st dash what is it called? Right click. Son of a whore. It failed. All right. So let's get rid of this other window over here. Let's vim. Of course it didn't work. x.c.reject. Okay, so let's open up another terminal. Let's vim into .config suckless st, and then x.c. Yes, Vim in here. Then we want to go down to, apparently it's going to be around 643. Apparently somewhere around there. And the last step, make a Debian package for your script. CTFO, bro. Like that's gonna happen. Like that's gonna happen. Dude, like the odds that somebody running Debian will need a Debian package for that script is absolutely ass. Like, I mean, if you're a Debian user and you're using something other than Bash, like, bruh, come on. You can edit a 15-line script. Oh wait, shit, I'm way past it. I was not paying attention. This is why you don't talk while skimming through it. All right, so I'm looking for release X event. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, not seeing it. We're down way. All right, so we're down way, or we're above where it should be. Cell request. So we're looking for release. Do. Oh, well, duh. Yeah. Yeah. Um, so yes, I can. Here's the thing, actually, I've been a Vim user for a long time. I actually don't actually search in my files, like ever. That's just not something I got used to doing. So search in Vim. Yeah, again, see, I'm one of those Vim users who never went through the Vim tutor all the way. And just, yeah, my usage inside of the terminal has been very basic. It's not until recently where I'm like patching DWM, doing a whole bunch of complex shit all the time. So hold on, search. Okay, search the pattern and enter and perform the search. Okay, press N to find the next and capital N to previous. Perfect. Okay. All right. Super simple. Super simple. As with everything in Vim, super simple. Took me 5 seconds to learn. Epic. So slash, and then I can just do the search. Epic. So we want to do release. Perfect. Here we go. All right. Let's find the next occurrence, because we are looking for the actual function release right here. Okay. If dash button here, we need to replace this with the same thing, but instead of equaling button 1 or 2 or whatever, it's button 3. Escape. Perfect. WQ, save that. All right. Now we can quit out of here, and I like to remove the rejected files. I don't know. I'm sure it automatically does that, but I like to go ahead and do it. So now do as make clean install. Yeah, yeet. Son of a whore. Why do we have a problem? X.C expected quotes before something. Okay, so we need to go in here and fix this patch. Apparently it got a whole bunch of shit wrong with it, but that's okay. That's all right. That's all right. Son of a bitch, I'm not in the folder. God. CD to config, suckless, st. There we go. Now we can vim into x.c. All right, and so in function xcolor, xload color, and need to go into the actual thing here and color green. Color dot green here. This 6E here. Oh my god. This is a single file. I think instead of E, it's actually supposed to be this here. Don't know how that happened. And expected a quotes before here. So hold on. Huh. So there needs to be in. What? I'm so confused. So I need to add this there, I guess. WQ. And so now I do, oh, over here. Well, broke ST. I don't know. Hold on, slash xload color. Let's go back down in here. And instead of doing anything to this line, now that we fixed that other error, let's just see if it works. That's what it is. Okay, yep. I just needed to fix the one error. That one error was causing the rest of them, so just fix that one. Everything else works. Perfect. Oh, shit. Thank God. You heard me mention it. I mean, I I I did some content on OpenBSD quite a while back. I like it. It's nice. It's nice. I just can't use it because it does not run on newer hardware by any stretch of the imagination. Okay, so now we need to learn how to write man pages here on Linux. So, man page. Let's just search how to make a man page. Okay. Okay. So let's go here. Instead of untitled, this is MK script. The date is 21/15/8. Darwin. What? I don't. That is. Untitled. MK script. Okay. No one, no one, and definitely me did not say this man page is not going to be absolutely fantastic. No, I think doing it here is fine. I think doing it here is fine. Okay. Okay. This is a really good site for to do this. I wish I knew how to change the this up here from that. BSD commands manual, but I guess I don't have the option of changing that here. Guess that's not part of the man page. MK script is a very simplistic, or just a very simple script for creating other scripts on your system, immediately making them executable and vimming inside of them. Okay. You need to create a web page on SourceBoard for your script. We want actually we want to delete this entirely. Name of file. Get rid of these lines here. description. If you want to be able to make scripts like an absolute Chad, then look no further than MKScript. Truly the best script ever crafted by man. Just got to have some bold statements in here, you know? Just got to have some bold statements. And an IRC channel for support. God. Here is how .nm works. Over here, I need to fix this typo. If you have put in a name for your file, item, let's see. First thing would be touch, or no, yeah, touch. So first thing, touch, first item. We use a hyper advanced mechanism to create the best possible text file and then the second item being we need chmod. Yeah, like guys, I mean, if you could share around the script, that would mean so much to me. Like just share it on every single platform you use. let's see. So for chmod, make the file executable through a NASA grade make the file executable through a NASA grade method, tested and verified by the FDA. There we go. All right. And then the next item is the next item is, so we touch chmod and then we vim into it. Vim. Using the finest ingredients, we then load your file using a 5-star text editor. Like, this is the most ridiculous man page ever. Like, this is so ridiculous. Like, this is the most ridiculous man file. I mean, if we're being honest, I'm still surprised that it's as long as it is. I mean, it's not a long man page by any stretch of the imagination, but I mean, we're really creating something out of nothing here. So then now we need dot pp, so we get a little indent. Yes, sir. And then we need another it dot it, or excuse me, yeah. Wait, hold on. So if I just start Hitler. Yeah, so we need to end the list and then pp here. Gotcha. And so we'll do here and want the tagged list again. Control V, then go ahead and Control C this. Dude, this text is so effing tiny. All right, so touch here. Hold on. Let's go on here. We're going to do dot .el and dot pp. I don't know. I mean, we're not going to need more than this anyway. Okay. So here, touch is going to be no name, question mark. If you can't if you can't input a name for the file, because your brain is too smooth, then get an insult. A list of flags and their descriptions. A list of stuff to remember. Go down here, delete this second entry because we just need one, and it's going to be dash name. Oh, excuse me. We don't need that. Let's do this. Brackets, name of file. Dude, I'm spending way too much time on this. Way too much time. Put, oh, hold on. If I do L here. Put a name for the damn file. Put a name, put a name in for the gdang file, you tard. Perfect. Now files, files. Okay, so we can delete this line here. Don't need it. File 1. User slash we'll do home slash dot scripts slash no, we won't just do any of that. No, we're just gonna do file 1 mk script. Okay, or actually, hold on, can we do .nm? Can we do that in the list? No, we can't. Okay, mk script. Dude, I don't know why this isn't working. We're just going to modify the other one. Okay, so here, slash users, all this shit. Just do mk script here. File 2, just call it mk script. Literally the most useful tool for creating beautiful beautiful and tasty scripts. There we go. Gotta have a subreddit. Oh, of course. Oh, of course. Of course. True that. True that. Okay. So I mean, I got it updated, but it's not updating over here. Like I'm still just getting file. Hold on. Maybe instead of .sh, I do BL. Why it's not updating? Um, get rid of the C also. Let me just get rid of this entire line right here. .nm. There we go. Okay. All right, so we have a beautiful man page now. So I can take this code here, and so now how do we make like now that we've got a man page made, how do we make it? Make man page for script. Okay. Okay. So as in-raw files. Okay. So hold on. So if I open up here and go vim into /user, it was local /man, right? Yep. I vim into here, or cd into there, whole cd into /user /local/man. We have a folder called man1. What am I doing? cd into man1, dwm, vim dwm.1. Oh, yeah. All right, so we've got, well, I mean, we've got it made. I just need to know where to put it and what file type it needs to be. Well, this was in 2012. Do you guys have any recommendations on what I should do? Say like, I am just a little confuzzled what I do here, because like, what type of document is this? Like, should I save it as specific dot file or dot file? So does it need to be saved as like a GROF or something like that? Oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. Graps, man, search here. JROF, okay. Okay, no, this is something totally different. Okay, so do I just, okay. So just go up, and if I vim mk script here and go, no, I don't have to do this, but I'm gonna do it. Okay, so we slap it in here, WQ. Oh my God. I gotta do as. Let's make our man page. If I paste it, set paste Why? Why are you not working? Dude, what the fuck? ST. Yep. We're getting out of ST, that's for damn sure. I don't even know what to say. Over there. Oh me, oh my. I like how everyone wanted me to make a man page, and according to YouTube, it seems like everyone's left now that I'm making a man page. Okay, well, for one thing, I can go ahead and quit out of here. Quit out of there. Okay, cool. So I don't still have my notes file. What am I doing? I have no idea what I'm doing right now. For one, I know I'm going to get out of ST. But, I mean, we've got the man page whipped up. I need to find me a new terminal. That's what I need to do. That's what I absolutely need to do. Let's go in here. I mean, terminal emulators. All right, so we've got Xterm, console, terminator. Tilde, a drop-down terminal. Heard of Tilde, I've never checked it out though. Tilde terminal. Tilde is a terminal emulator that can be compared with other. Okay. Very GTK. No, it's meant to be popped down from the top of the screen. I don't know about that. Yeah, not a massive fan. Tilda's all right. I used it a lot in the past. Not sure how it'll perform on a tiny window manager. Yeah, I don't really think Tilda's the thing for me here. I mean, I think it might just be RxVT Unicode, if we're going to be honest. RxVT, Arch. Let's go to the Arch page. Because I'm pretty sure URxVT is just, yeah, it's configured from X resources. Yeah, so yeah, buddy, you gotta go outside. Well, it's finally stopped raining, so we can go. All right. Well, buddy's got to go outside, and I'm going to switch around terminals and do a whole bunch more stuff. We got the man page whipped up. I have no clue about what I'm going to do with the actual man page, but yeah, at least got it. It is ridiculous. It's an absolutely ridiculous man page. But yeah, thank you for being here. It's been an absolutely good stream. Alacrity is good. Yes, Alacrity is good. The problem with Alacrity is like hold on. I'll go ahead and just quickly, because I know Buddy's got to go. I'm not going to be rude, but if I quickly install Alacrity, install it, and then if I vim into my scripts and MK script, or wait, hold on. No, my dmenu script. Dmenu scripts and config-select. And if I set that to launch with Alacrity, so now I do mod S and we open it up, and this will open up with Alacrity. You'll see it loads up very weird. It loads up not the full document, and it's also split up. And then when I go up, it's the full document, but it's still the document's all kinds of screwed up. That's my problem with Alacrity. Other than that, Alacrity is my favorite terminal. Like, I've used Alacrity for a long time, but now that I'm using, like, you know, I'm doing more stuff with having dmenu open up scripts and stuff like that, Alacrity just doesn't function properly all the time. Like this file, it opened up just fine. Just fine. I open up, let's do my currency one. This loads up just fine. It may have been the same one that I opened up the first time. Open up my DWM status. This one doesn't load up right. It loads up with the top line cut off for some reason. Yeah. Oh, well, thank you. Thank you. I mean, I think the man page is nifty. It's more than it's clearly more than a meme than anything else. But yeah. I don't know how to actually take this document. I don't, as far as I know, I might just save it in my man folder as a document and it just like worked, but I'm not positive. Not sure. But well, I'll talk about that in the next stream for sure. So have a good one. Thank you for being here. It's been a super fun stream. I've had a great time, and hopefully you did as well. I will see you in the next one.